Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Marblism. In order to do so, here we are at marblism.com. And what is Marblism all about? AI employees to scale your business. Get an AI team who run your inbox, socials, SEO, lead generation calls, and support. And you can see here the variety of AI employees that we have access to: community manager, executive assistant, receptionist, SEO blog writer, lead generation, etc., etc. Let's go ahead and get started. How will we use our AI team for my business? What is your website's URL? And we'll plug in our YouTube channel there. We'll see if it takes that. Okay, that went through okay. We're benchmarking our business. Similar businesses found, top time optimization potential, analyzing our business. Okay, let's go ahead and meet the team. Eva organizes and replies to your busy AI education inbox, sorts collabs, student queues, questions, and partnership emails fast, drafts replies to tutorial questions in your style, learns from your feedback to improve future replies. That sounds great. Sunny drives our AI tutorial channels, social growth hands-free, creates posts on trending AI tools and techniques, generates eye-catching thumbnails and video recaps, auto schedules regular posts across all platforms. That sounds great. Stan finds eager learners, creators, and partners for our channel, targets students, creators, and entrepreneurs into AI, personalizes outreach for demo videos and collaborations, automates follow-ups to turn interest into subscribers. Penny turns our expertise into SEO optimized content for Google, creates SEO guides on ChatGPT, Midjourney, and more, ranks for keywords like AI tutorials and learn AI tools, attracts students and content creators searching Google. That sounds great. Reach our goals with Marblism. Sign up to see how AI employees can help you succeed. Let's go ahead and continue with Google. Okay, we want to make sure that we're verifying here. Okay, so we're ready to go. Our AI team is ready. 54 hours saved per month. We've got our employees of the month every month. Some testimonials. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hire the team. And here we now see that in order to proceed, we are going to need to pay for the subscription. So $24 a month, $33 per month for every 3 months. And if we're paying yearly, that is, and then $44 a month if we're paying monthly. So that gives you an idea of what Marblism is about and what it's going to take for you to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist on Cintra, and if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.